Hello everyone, welcome back to another product review. Today we are showing you guys this travel suitcase. Now what's nice about this one is it has wheels, but that's not the cool part. You guys want to know what the cool part is? Press this button and it's got its own extending handle for you to easily drag it. That is awesome, guys. So when my wife go on our 5-year wedding anniversary, this is definitely what I'm taking. Zipper in the back. Oh, and in the back here you actually have your backpack straps if you want to wear it as a backpack. That is really cool, guys. Alright guys, in the front you have a front zippered pocket. It goes the whole way to the bottom. And what I like about these zippers are they are very streamlined. So if you guys can watch, I'm not holding it with anything. One hand easily unzippers with just one hand and no extra support. So look at this, guys. Check out this deep pocket for pens, different stuff in here. You got another pocket in here. Oh, this is great for keys. Look at that. You can place your keys on here, spare keys, and just pull it off and put it back on when you're done. All right, guys, and now we have the main pocket. Check this out. This is perfect for our laptop. So we slide our laptop in here and you got this laptop strap to keep it in place. You also have these pockets right in front of the laptop. Check this out. Look at this. It looks like it's actually zippered, so you can put, oh wow, okay, so that's just padding back in there. And okay, that's where, oh, I got it. So that's where the handle is, guys. So you could put some stuff in there. We probably won't. Overall, you got mesh pockets on the side here, mesh pockets on the other side. This is definitely one of the nicest bags that I have reviewed. I'm glad we got this because this is going to work great for our Florida trip. Guys, look at this. The handle comes up high, but you can also have it lower. So if you are shorter, you can have it lower. If you're higher and taller, you can put it. It pulls very easy, very nice. Very impressed, guys. Nice little carrying handle if you don't want to pull it. I'm telling you guys, this is amazing.